Hello, my name is Mustafa Wagi, and I'm representing Rimplo today. Rimplo is a B2B revenue intelligence platform for SaaS teams. In this video, I'll show how a customer connects their own Google Ads account to Rimplo through authentication and how the granted access is used inside the product. This is the home page. What we basically do to navigate to the privacy policy, from the home page, we go to the privacy policy. This shows how the collected data is processed, which is only for analytics and revenue intelligence. This here explains that Google Ads data is used only inside the customer authorized product workflow for analytics and revenue intelligence, and that this is not sold, not shared for advertising, and not used to train general or our own AI models. We also support other integrations like Notion, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Stripe. Also, this shows that we do not use data to train any AI models or share or sell any AI conversation data for advertising purposes. And also, we do not sell any data to third-party applications. We also support data erasure on demand. You have the right to request complete deletion of all your personal data from our system. Also, to navigate to the terms of use page from the home landing page, this is Rimplo's public terms of use page. Now I'll sign into the Rimplo application as a user. Inside Rimplo, users can connect external systems that power revenue intelligence. One of these supported integrations is Google Ads. When the user chooses Google Ads, Rimplo starts the Google OAuth flow. Here the user is granting access directly through Google. Rimplo does not ask the user for or store the user's Google password. The OAuth screen shows up the app identity. The browser address bar shows the Google authorization flow for this client. After the user grants access, Google redirects back to Rimplo so the connection can be completed securely. Now that the user authorized Rimplo, this is an application called ClickHouse, and this is basically where we store our users' data securely. There's a dedicated database under the account serial ID only for this account. And these tables are what we pulled from Google Ads. Rimplo uses the granted Google Ads access for customer authorized product functionality. In the current product, this includes Google Ads account discovery, connector setup, syncing Google Ads entities into the customer's analytics environment, and enabling analytics and AI-assisted insights based on connected customer data. Rimplo requests the Google Ads scope because Google Ads API integrations rely on this scope for authorized access to customers' Google Ads data. In our current implementation, Rimplo uses that access for reporting, sync analytics, also in customer authorized product workflows. Rimplo does not use this access for autonomous campaign creation or modification. In the AI assistant, for example, you can choose whether or not to get scope from the Google Ads data that we synced. Now, let's show an example of how Rimplo uses the Google Ads data we connected. In the AI Assistant tab, let's start by a simple question. Now let's ask a Google Ads related question. This shows a summary of the Google Ads data of the account we connected. That's everything. I hope I clarified how Rimplo works, and thank you for reviewing Rimplo's verification request.
Users could also use Rimplo to sign in with Gmail and send to users on their behalf. After Gmail is connected, you go to tasks, new task. Rimplo then drafts an email. Any tasks performed by Rimplo using Google or any other data connector can never be triggered or actioned without the user's consent.